Florida's sunlit beaches hide a secret world beneath the waves. Just below the surface, submerged landscapes teem with life and mystery, sunken ships, ancient fossils, and vibrant marine communities. This is not the Florida of postcards, but a deeper, enigmatic frontier where past and present blur. Drift through shipwrecks, explore prehistoric caverns, and witness unique ecosystems from crystal springs to salty currents. Each site tells a story in coral, limestone, and steel. Nature's power to reclaim and transform. Today we'll dive into 10 of Florida's most extraordinary underwater destinations, plus a wild bonus adventure you won't want to miss. Prepare to leave the familiar shore behind as we plunge into Florida's hidden waters. Our journey starts in an unexpected place, Phil Foster Park, beneath the Blue Heron Bridge in Riviera Beach. Here, city life meets a world-class dive site where tides from the Atlantic Gulf Stream create a brackish haven for rare marine life. The sandy flats and bridge pilings are alive with tiny nudibranchs, camouflaged frogfish, and delicate seahorses. It's a macro photographer's paradise, accessible to divers and snorkelers of all levels. Shallow, calm waters make it perfect for beginners, while the sheer biodiversity keeps even experts coming back. The park's Snorkel Trail, a long artificial reef, lets non-divers witness this urban wildness up close. Phil Foster Park proves that nature can thrive in the heart of human development. It's a vibrant, resilient ecosystem, a true urban oasis. Wildness isn't always far away, sometimes it's right under our noses. A fitting start to our countdown. Off Key Largo in John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park stands the Christ of the Abyss, a bronze statue submerged in 25 feet of water. Sunbeams illuminate the outstretched arms, creating an ethereal cathedral-like effect as fish swirl around the solemn figure. This site is both art and sanctuary, accessible to snorkelers and divers alike. Some feel a profound calm here, others sense a haunting energy. Whether spiritual or mysterious, the statue is a powerful symbol of humanity's connection to the sea. It's one of the world's most photographed underwater sites, a silent sentinel embraced by the ocean, a must-see for any diver in Florida. Inland in Williston, Devil's Den appears as a simple hole in the ground, but below it's a prehistoric spring. Descend stone steps into a cavern of crystal-clear 72-degree water and ancient limestone formations. Fossils embedded in the walls connect you to a time when Florida was submerged beneath the sea. Excavations have revealed remains of mastodons, dire wolves, and even early humans. The den's large opening and safe depths make it accessible to most divers. Sunlight filters through, illuminating a circle of green above the blue water. Diving here is like swimming through time itself, a serene, ancient amphitheater. Devil's Den is a paleontological treasure and a unique dive into Florida's deep past, a true window to another era. 70 miles west of Key West, Dry Tortugas National Park is a remote cluster of islands, accessible only by boat or seaplane. Its isolation preserves pristine reefs and abundant marine life. Fort Jefferson, a massive 19th century fortress, rises from turquoise waters surrounded by vibrant coral and schools of fish. The seafloor is littered with relics, bricks, anchor chains, and shipwrecks, now colonized by marine life. Sea turtles glide through seagrass and dolphins play in the waves. The area's remoteness means wildlife is unafraid and plentiful. Dry Tortugas is a sanctuary where history and nature exist in stunning harmony. It's a living museum, far from the mainland, a diver's paradise at the edge of Florida. Back in Williston, Blue Grotto is a vast, clear-water cavern plunging to 100 feet. Sunlight creates a brilliant blue glow, and divers can visit a unique air bell at 30 feet to chat underwater. The star here is Virgil, a friendly soft-shell turtle who often greets divers. Blue Grotto offers a safe, enchanting cavern experience, with permanent guidelines for easy navigation. The combination of geological beauty and close wildlife encounters makes this site unforgettable. It's perfect for divers seeking both adventure and tranquility. Swim alongside Virgil and explore a serene, otherworldly realm. Blue Grotto is a magical meeting of nature and diver. Off Pensacola lies the USS Oriskany, a colossal aircraft carrier sunk to become the world's largest artificial reef. At over 900 feet long, it's a submerged city of steel, now teeming with marine life. The flight deck sits at 145 feet with the superstructure rising to 80 feet, an awe-inspiring sight for advanced divers. Exploring its vast corridors and hangar bays is both thrilling and humbling. Some divers report eerie sensations, whispers, shadows, adding to the ship's haunted reputation. Today, amberjacks, groupers, and corals have claimed the Oriskany as their home. It's a powerful transformation from warship to marine sanctuary. The Oriskany is a challenging, unforgettable dive for those with the skills to explore its depths. History and marine life converge in this underwater giant, a true legend sleeping in the deep. Ginnie Springs on the Santa Fe River is famed for its 7 crystal-clear freshwater springs. The main spring, Ginnie Ballroom, leads to a vast sunlit cavern with astonishing visibility. Certified divers can explore the challenging Devil's Spring cave system, while others float above in liquid clarity. Legends of hidden Civil War gold add mystery to every dive. Manatees often visit, sharing the water with snorkelers and tubers. The water's clarity is unmatched. You see every detail in high definition. Ginnie Springs is pure, unfiltered natural beauty. It's less a dive site, more an immersion in liquid light. Off Miami's coast lies Neptune Memorial Reef, a blend of art, artificial reef and underwater cemetery. Modeled after Atlantis, it features grand arches, columns and lion statues in 40 feet of water. Cremated remains are mixed into the structures, creating a living memorial and new marine habitat. Coral and fish now thrive among the city's avenues, turning remembrance into vibrant life. Diving here is both exploration and reflection. A city of the dead teeming with new beginnings, it's a unique intersection of creativity, ecology, and legacy. Neptune Memorial Reef is a testament to the ocean's power to transform, a sunken city where art and life flourish together. The Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary protects over 3,800 square miles of water, including the only living coral barrier reef in the continental U.S. It's a mosaic of mangroves, seagrass meadows, and spectacular reefs, each teeming with life. Divers can explore famous sites like Molasses Reef, the Spiegel Grove Wreck, and the Shipwreck Trail. Legends of lost Spanish treasure add a thrill of discovery to every dive. Conservation is crucial here, as climate change and pollution threaten these fragile ecosystems. The sanctuary is a vibrant, interconnected kingdom beneath the waves. To dive here is to witness one of America's greatest natural wonders. The living barrier is Florida's underwater crown jewel. Silver Springs in Ocala is a window into ancient, wild Florida, one of the world's largest artesian springs. Its legendary clarity reveals submerged cypress roots in a deep blue chasm. The spring is home to gentle manatees, especially in cooler months, offering profound encounters for snorkelers and kayakers. Hollywood once filmed Tarzan and Creature from the Black Lagoon here. Along the riverbanks, wild rhesus macaque monkeys, descendants of a 1930s tourist stunt, add a surreal twist. Floating past monkeys and manatees feels like drifting through a lost world. Silver Springs blends natural beauty, strange history, and cinematic magic. It's Florida's most unique underwater destination, a place where fantasy and reality meet beneath the surface. For our bonus adventure, we join the annual Spiny Lobster mini-season, a 2-day underwater hunt in Florida's reefs. Night diving transforms the reef as lobsters emerge and divers scan for their antennae with flashlights. The chase is on, coaxing lobsters from hiding with a tickle stick and net, testing skill and speed. Strict regulations protect the population, size limits, bag limits, and no egg-bearing females. The camaraderie and excitement on the boat are unmatched. The reward? The freshest seafood dinner imaginable. This isn't just a dive, it's a wild, hands-on tradition connecting you to Florida's ocean bounty. The mini-season is a thrilling, communal celebration of the sea. It's the wild heart of Florida diving. Will you join the hunt? Florida's underwater world is full of wonder, prehistoric caverns, sunken cities, and thriving reefs. Each site offers a unique adventure and a glimpse into hidden realms. From urban oases to remote fortresses, the call to explore is irresistible. Where will your journey begin? The Christ of the Abyss, Ginnie Springs, the USS Oriskany, or Silver Springs Wild Monkeys? Let us know which you'd dive first. Comment below, like, and subscribe for more wild Florida adventures. The next great dive is waiting just beneath the surface.